Is the traditional laptop finally on its deathbed? If you look at what Samsung is engineering right now, the answer might be yes. Forget everything you knew about the Galaxy Tab lineup, because the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is not just another yearly spec bump. It is a fundamental shift in how we interact with portable screens. We have secured the highly credible supply chain reports, and there is a massive twist. Samsung is doubling down on their strategy to kill off the entry-level base model entirely, forcing a new, ultra-premium standard. Stick around until the very end, because the processor they chose for this device is going to leave iPad Pro users speechless. And the newly integrated AI features might just convince you to sell your laptop tomorrow. Welcome to TapTech, your destination for the raw truth in technology. I am your host, and today we are tearing down the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. Let us get right into it. Let us start with the elephant in the room, Samsung's aggressive market strategy. If you have been paying attention since the Tab S10 series, you noticed Samsung began testing the waters by phasing out the smaller flagship tablets. Now, as we move through 2026 and look toward the S12 generation, global database leaks reveal absolutely no trace of a standard 11-inch Tab S12. We are only seeing footprints for the Tab S12 Plus and Ultra. Why does this strategic shift matter? Because it means Samsung has officially stopped compromising. They are no longer building budget-friendly flagships just to hit a lower price point. They recognize that in demanding markets like the United States, if you are dropping money on a flagship tablet, you are buying it to get heavy work done. The small tablet market has been swallowed by massive smartphones. Therefore, the Tab S12 Plus is now the absolute baseline, setting a ridiculously high bar. Let us talk about the canvas you will be staring at every day. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is retaining that sweet spot form factor with a breathtaking 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. But do not let the familiar size fool you. Supply chain rumors point toward a peak brightness that easily rivals the best outdoor displays on the market, expected to shatter the 2000 nit mark for HDR content. Imagine sitting on a bright patio reviewing a video edit, and your screen is as crisp and vibrant as if you were in a pitch-black studio. You get deep, inky blacks, explosively vibrant colors, and a buttery smooth 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Furthermore, the brilliant anti-reflective screen coating is now standard on the S12 Plus. This completely eliminates that annoying mirror effect when working in environments with harsh overhead lighting. It is a total game changer for visual clarity. A world-class display requires a world-class chassis. Samsung is doubling down on industrial durability, without sacrificing that ultra-thin, futuristic profile we expect. We are looking at an impossibly thin piece of technology, expected to hover right around the astonishing 5.6mm mark. The Tab S12 Plus is expected to feature a highly refined, aerospace-grade armor aluminum frame. This keeps the device incredibly lightweight for easy reading, yet remarkably rigid, so it can easily survive the daily commute stuffed inside your backpack. You can also breathe a sigh of relief because the IP68 water and dust resistance rating is officially here to stay. You can literally spill a massive cup of coffee directly onto this tablet, confidently rinse it off under running water, and immediately get right back to your high-stakes Zoom presentation without missing a beat. That is the kind of peace of mind that separates true premium hardware from the rest. This next piece of information is exactly why I told you to stick around. When American consumers think of premium computing, they default to Snapdragon or Apple Silicon. But benchmark leaks are pointing to a massive, industry-shaking plot twist. Continuing a bold trend, Samsung is heavily expanding its partnership with MediaTek, utilizing the bleeding-edge Dimensity 9600 processor. I know what the purists are thinking. MediaTek in a premium Samsung tablet? But let me hit you with the objective facts. The Dimensity 9600 is an absolute monster, built on advanced 3nm architecture, engineered to trade heavy blows with Apple's M4 chips. We are talking about literal desktop-class performance packed into a slab of glass thinner than a pencil. Whether you are scrubbing through massive 4K video timelines, playing graphically intense mobile games at maximum settings with ray tracing, or running 20 browser tabs while screen sharing, this processor will simply not break a sweat. All of that computing power means nothing if your tablet inevitably dies before your workday is over. Battery anxiety is a very real problem for demanding professionals and students constantly on the move. Historically, the Plus variants have hovered around the 10,090 mAh mark. For the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus, battery certifications indicate a very welcome physical increase in capacity. We are looking at a dense cell size right around the 10,500 mAh range. When you physically combine a larger battery cell with the extreme power efficiency of the 3nm Dimensity chip, the real-world endurance results are going to be massive. You can genuinely expect to leave your wall charger at home for a long weekend trip. When you do finally drain it, Samsung is equipping it with their ultra-reliable 45-watt super-fast charging technology to get you back to 100% rapidly. Let us shift focus to the software experience. The primary reason you might actually ditch your traditional laptop for the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus comes down to Neural DeX. Samsung DeX has always been the hidden secret weapon of Galaxy tablets, providing a capable desktop interface. Right now in 2026, the DeX experience is undergoing a massive evolution. Powered directly by the immensely capable neural processing unit inside that new MediaTek chipset, we are anticipating the debut of advanced, on-device Galaxy AI perfectly integrated into your workflow. Imagine sitting in a virtual board meeting while your tablet actively listens, flawlessly transcribes the conversation, translates it in real time, and intelligently generates actionable items directly into your notes. All processed locally without needing a cloud server. The legendary S Pen is still included right inside the box at no extra charge. The upgraded S Pen is strongly rumored to feature near-zero latency and advanced haptic feedback, magically making it feel like a real physical ink pen, dragging across high-quality paper. All of these premium features, from the massive battery and breathtaking display, to the incredibly potent processor and deliberate shift away from building a cheaper base model, mean one specific thing for your wallet. The fundamental price of entry is going up. With the total elimination of the entry-level 11-inch model, the financial barrier to enter Samsung's flagship ecosystem is higher. Early industry estimates heavily suggest the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus could command a starting price right around the $1,150 mark in the US market. That is undeniably a steep price tag, placing it squarely in the exact same premium territory as high-end Ultrabooks and expensive iPad Pro configurations. Samsung is essentially looking you in the eye and daring you to compare this sleek tablet directly to a bulky laptop. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is rapidly shaping up to be a watershed moment in mobile computing. By aggressively forcing a premium-only hardware lineup, Samsung is making an undeniable statement. They are actively trying to manufacture a vastly superior laptop replacement. With the stunning display, powerful internal silicon, and deeply integrated artificial intelligence features that alter how you accomplish your daily work, this is a futuristic device that commands your attention. Does the complete lack of a budget-friendly base model make you want to finally jump ship to Apple? Or is this zero-compromise Plus model exactly what you have been patiently waiting for all these years? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments section below. If this deep dive helped you figure out your next major tech upgrade, please hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on all notifications so you never miss another crucial upload. This has been TapTech, bringing you the future today. Stay smart, stay curious, and I will catch you in the next video.